Okay, reading, check-in, tic tac toe. That's what you're going to be doing today. After you do your Wednesday brain activator, you are going to tell me what you read. Okay, so you should have chosen a book from the library and downloaded it per what we learned how to do yesterday. And now I want you to read it. I know, I'm making you read it. Okay, so go ahead and read as much as you want. Okay, I would like you, ideally, to read for at least 20 minutes. Okay, make it your goal to read for at least 20 minutes. If you set a time and a place that you are going to read, then you're more likely to do it every day. I like to read before bed. It helps me relax. It helps me fall asleep. Okay, so I might leave my book next to my bed. And every night as I'm going to sleep, I'm going to open it up and read it. It's also, by the way, way better than looking at your phone or a computer at night because screens keep you awake and keep your brain thinking that it's daytime. So you will get better sleep if you look at paper first before you go to bed, okay? And I know that a lot of you are going to be reading on screens because you've borrowed books on screens. That's kind of the give take of this virtual learning thing. But I still firmly believe that even if you read it on a screen, it's better than watching some crazy TV show or video game or getting yourself all upset on Instagram or TikTok, okay? Which is what my daughter does. She gets herself upset on social media and then she can't sleep. So let's not do that, okay? All right, so just read for at least 20 minutes, more if you can, all right? So then when you're done reading, you're gonna open up this assignment. And by the way, Talia, sorry I called you out. I keep forgetting that you're in my class now. I love you. All right, so reading, check-in, tic tac toe. This is a choice board, okay? So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that we can see it better. All right. It says choose 3 of the prompts, but they have to make a straight line, either vertically, that means up and down, or horizontally, that means side to side, or horizontally, like horizon. Okay, when you see the horizon, it goes horizontal. All right, so that means that I can either choose these 3. And if these are the 3 I choose, I'm going to highlight them. Or I could choose these 3, or I could choose these 3, or these 3, or these 3, or these 3. But I have to do them either horizontally or vertically, okay? So this says highlight a straight line through the prompts you have chosen and then answer them below. 3 points per question. You must give very specific details from the story for full credit. Very specific. Okay, so that means if I am describing this phone, okay, if I am going to give very specific details, I'm going to say, this is an iPhone. I think it's an iPhone 8, but I don't even remember anymore. This is an iPhone and it is white, okay, and it has a blue case. And if I took the case off, I would see that there's a little apple on the back. I see that I have a couple of notifications on it right now. One's a text message from my brother. One was something from the DNC wanting me to vote for Joe Biden or something like that. Okay. Happy election season. And when I open it up, I see that I have all of these icons and I see that my background picture is a picture of me and my daughter and my little boy. And I know that I have my mail and my phone and my iTunes and my Safari across the bottom, and I have a little button here, and it has a little like metallic colored circle around the button, and the get it? That's details. All right, I want details. So you just highlight what you did. Okay, so I say, all right, I'm going to do these 3, so I'll highlight them. And then I'm going to answer them down here in the text box. Double click, start typing. Okay. How does the main character behave? The main character in this book behaves like a spoiled little brat. She's always crying when she doesn't get what she wants, and her mom and dad always give in to her, and she's blah, 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 blah. Okay? That's what you're doing today. So I want you to read your book for at least 20 minutes and do the tic-tac-toe, and you're done. All right? You guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.